The United States Army is a force like no other, built on a foundation of discipline, teamwork, and unparalleled skill. Among its many elements, the combat arms branches are at the tip of the spear, engaging the enemy and executing missions critical to victory. In this video, we'll explore 7 key branches of the Army's combat arms: air defense artillery, armor, aviation, field artillery, infantry, special forces, and the Corps of Engineers. Let's dive in. First up, the Air Defense Artillery, or ADA. Officially established as its own branch in 1968, ADA traces its roots back to World War I, when artillery units were adapted to counter aircraft. Its mission? To protect forces and key assets from aerial and missile attacks. Today, ADA employs cutting-edge technology like the Patriot missile system and THAAD, systems capable of neutralizing incoming ballistic missiles. Within ADA, there are several specialized roles. Missile defense crew members operate complex systems like the Patriot or Avenger. Fire control specialists manage radar and tracking systems, while launcher crews maintain and operate missile platforms. Fun fact: the Air Defense Artillery School at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, is often called the birthplace of modern air defense. The armor branch is synonymous with power and mobility on the battlefield. Established in 1940, it evolved from the earlier cavalry units of the U.S. Army. The transition from horses to armored vehicles marked a revolution in modern warfare. Armor units, like those operating the formidable M1 Abrams tank, are designed to crush enemy defenses and exploit breaches with overwhelming force. Known as the Iron Fist of the Army, these units combine firepower, mobility, and protection. Key roles include tank crew members who operate and fire the M1 Abrams, cavalry scouts who perform reconnaissance, and mechanics who ensure vehicles remain combat-ready. Here's a fun fact: the M1 Abrams can reach speeds up to 45 miles per hour, making it both heavily armored and surprisingly agile. The Army Aviation Branch is all about dominating the skies. Formed in 1983, its origins trace back to World War II, when helicopters first supported ground operations. From the iconic UH-60 Black Hawk to the fearsome AH-64 Apache, aviation units play a pivotal role in transporting troops, providing reconnaissance, and delivering devastating firepower. Sometimes referred to as the Guardians of the Sky, Army aviation ensures unparalleled aerial dominance. Within aviation, there are pilots and co-pilots who fly aircraft, crew chiefs who maintain equipment, and unmanned aerial system operators who handle drone missions. Did you know that the Apache helicopter can engage up to 16 targets simultaneously? Now that's precision. Field artillery is often called the king of battles for good reason. Since its formal establishment in 1775, it has delivered devastating firepower to shape the battlefield. Equipped with systems like the M777A2 howitzer and the HIMARS rocket launcher, field artillery units can strike targets miles away with pinpoint accuracy. The branch is divided into different military occupational specialties, or MOS. Cannon crew members operate howitzers, rocket artillery specialists manage systems like HIMARS, and fire direction specialists calculate targeting data. Forward observers work directly with infantry and armor units, relaying crucial information about enemy positions to coordinate accurate fire missions. Heavy artillery battalions support mechanized divisions, while airborne artillery units provide rapid deployment firepower. Here's an interesting fact: during Operation Desert Storm, artillery accounted for over 70% of the enemy losses in some engagements. The infantry, the backbone of the Army's combat arms. With roots going back to the Continental Army in 1775, the infantry has always been at the forefront of battle. Infantry soldiers are the boots on the ground, tasked with seizing and holding terrain. Known as the Queen of Battle, the infantry works hand in hand with the field artillery to achieve victory. Infantry includes a range of roles: riflemen who engage directly with the enemy, machine gunners who provide suppressive fire, and mortarmen who deliver indirect fire support. Mechanized infantry operates from armored vehicles, while airborne infantry deploys from the skies to secure key objectives. Did you know that the infantry school at Fort Moore, Georgia, is one of the Army's oldest training institutions? The Corps of Engineers, known for their motto Essayons, let us try, plays a critical role in the Army's combat operations. Established in 1775, it is one of the Army's oldest branches. Combat engineers are the Army's problem solvers. They construct bridges, clear obstacles like minefields, and demolish enemy fortifications. Key roles include sapper teams who lead breach operations, heavy equipment operators who build and maintain infrastructure, and demolition specialists who handle explosives. Combat engineers also play a vital role in defensive operations, such as fortifying positions and constructing barriers. Fun fact: during World War II, combat engineers were instrumental in constructing the famous Bailey Bridges, which enabled rapid troop movement across Europe. Finally, we have the Army Special Forces, known as the Green Berets. Officially established in 1952, their motto says it all: de Oppresso Liber, to free the oppressed. Green Berets operate in small, highly skilled teams behind enemy lines, conducting missions that require precision and adaptability. Within Special Forces, roles include weapons sergeants who specialize in a variety of firearms, communications sergeants who manage high-tech systems, and medics trained in advanced life-saving techniques. These units often work with airborne forces and rely on rapid insertion via parachutes or helicopters. Fun fact: the John F. Kennedy Special Warfare Center and School trains these elite soldiers, emphasizing language and cultural skills as much as combat. From the skies to the ground, and everywhere in between, the combat arms branches of the U.S. Army are the ultimate instruments of power and precision. Each branch plays a vital role in ensuring the Army's success on the battlefield. Which branch do you think has the toughest job? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more military history and facts.